Okay, I had the option of staying at work. My wife said, you know, it's fine, drive home. We're not gonna stay at the hotel. So now I've got to drive to work in this. This is gonna be an adventure, baby. What's going on?
I'll help you get out.
Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate it.
Hey. I got you.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome. What's the GoPro for?
I'm just recording this storm.
Oh, okay.
This guy's trying to help me get out. Nice guy. Were nice to, I got stuck over here. They were nice to help me get back in my parking spot, and then they accused me of being new to Colorado when in fact I'm from a much snowier place than this, and they said, hey, don't go out there. Once this is plowed, I'll be fine. They're like, don't go out onto the streets. I'm going back out. Second guessing myself, but I think I can go, because traffic seems to be moving even here on Cherry Creek South Drive. Okay, I'm out, my friends, and if I listened to them I would still be there. Oh, but this looks tough right here. Oh shit, just got to keep that momentum going, don't stop. Gamble as to what streets to take. Look, this guy's slipping out. Wow, look at that. And he's driving an SUV. But it's the gamble is what streets to take. Do you stay on the major one? Do you stay like on an interstate I-25 where it's probably going to be better road conditions, but you have people going much faster, and you know you could have disaster, catastrophe. Do you stay on the kind of the main thoroughfares like Hampton, or do you go to the off streets where it's going to be much deeper snow? It's going to be much deeper snow, but you know you're not going to see any cars. But then you got to deal with hills. A lot of times there's Dartmouth is a road that I've used before. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm debating between Dartmouth, which is like a residential street that doesn't get a lot of traffic, and Hampton, which is a main kind of street that runs sort of east-west through the city. I've decided I'm going to do Hampton. Even on Colorado, there's not much traffic. Who knows what the conditions of Dartmouth are going to be like. If I'm going to get stuck, it's going to be on an off street. Okay, here's a yellow light. Shit. I've already run 3 red lights just to keep moving. That's a record. 3 red lights. I don't think I've ever had more than 1. This guy's stuck right here. See him? I'm not stopping. He's calling somebody. He had his cell phone out. Another guy's stuck right there, that red car. Yellow light, is there anybody there? I just had a real scare. I didn't want to start the camera. My snow covered my entire windshield and I couldn't move my windshield wipers. And there was traffic and fuck. Oh my God, that was so scary. I was completely blinded. This is horrible over here. This is the worst I've ever seen. This is the worst I've ever seen in my life.